Welcome to Exploring Graph Databases with Neo4j, an autism-friendly coding tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce you to graph databases and show how Neo4j works, with simple code examples and real-life connections. A graph database is a system for storing data as nodes and edges, where nodes represent entities and edges represent relationships. Unlike traditional databases, graph databases focus on how things connect. Let's compare. In a relational database, you use tables and joins. In a graph database, you just follow the relationships between nodes. It's faster and more intuitive for certain problems. Neo4j is the most popular graph database. It's open source, easy to use, and comes with an intuitive query language called Cypher that's designed for working with graphs. Let's say you want to recommend new friends to a user. In a graph, you'd find friends of friends, and Neo4j can do that in one quick query. Cypher is Neo4j's query language. It uses simple ASCII-like syntax to find patterns. Here's an example that finds people connected by a friend relationship. Graph databases shine in real-world situations where relationships matter most. Here's how they're used. In recommendation engines, they find users with similar interests based on shared connections. Fraud detection uses graph traversal to catch suspicious behavior across multiple accounts. Knowledge graphs connect concepts and help power search engines like Google. In supply chain tracking, graph databases trace how goods move across complex logistics networks. To get started, you can use Neo4j AuraDB, which is a cloud-hosted version, or install Neo4j Desktop. You'll create nodes and relationships using Cypher. Graph databases are powerful tools for anyone working with complex relationships. In the next video, we'll walk through real Cypher queries using a sample dataset. And if this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here.